Welcome back to the channel. So this is not going to be a long video. I'm super upset with myself. I made these two coaster sets for no jackpot, no problems, for Christmas gifts for somebody. I made them before Christmas. I actually made these in November. This is November's video. I'm filming this in November, you guys. But I couldn't post it till after Christmas. So I had the whole video where I showed you guys how I made these, and I lost it on this damn GoPro. So before I ship these to them, let's check these out. These are two coaster sets here, you guys. Check that out. I know it's hard to see because they're stacked together. Here's the other one. I think they all turned out amazing. So to kind of show you how it looks in the light, I did red and black alcohol ink with that logo. And it's a set of 4. I know I'm on my other table here. It is normal for these to stick together sometimes in the coaster holder. I get a lot of people that ask me that. Sorry. So if you see the coaster holder, see the red and black alcohol ink? Yeah, and sleeping babies. Always some sleeping babies, y'all. I think these turned out amazing. I hope whoever they're going to for Christmas, they will love them. So this is a sports team. See, like I said, it's normal for them to stick together. Hang on, I'll show you guys. So a lot of people ask me, it's absolutely normal for them to stick together. You just pull it apart. You won't hurt it none. So these ones here, we did orange and green. I did orange and green alcohol ink. Check them out. The things are badass, you guys. I think they turned out amazing. And then the holder, the coaster holder, I did it 1/2 orange and 1/2 green. I think that is so cool, y'all. I hope they really like them. I'm so upset at myself for losing the video. That was not my intentions. I wanted to have the video to show you guys. And I lost it. I've had so much stuff going on, you guys, as we all do. So no jackpot, no problem, family. I hope you guys enjoy these, whoever's getting them for Christmas. I think they're absolutely amazing. Until next time, you guys, you know what to do. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. There is a little bubble right there, but it's underneath, so you cannot feel it. There's 2 of these that have that on there. Like I said, I'm not a professional. This is not perfect. You guys know what to do. Hit that thumbs up. Share it out. Leave a comment. Until next time, y'all have a good one. Bye.